In the last video, we have seen about the networking part. Now we will see the disk usage and the system information. Okay, without delay, let's get started. Now, you wanted to check the information about the disk usage of your system. So first, if you wanted to see the disk usage of your entire system, then we have the df command. And to understand it into the human readable format, we can use -h flag. If you type df space -h, so it is going to provide the information about the entire file system. If you do hit enter, here you can see this is your 8 GB of the storage that I have. 1.6 is used, 6.6 is free. Apart from this, there is a subdirectory and they are providing the information about that, how much size we have, how much used, how much available, how much percentage is used, mounted on, what is the location of that, right? So if you write df space -h command, it is going to provide the entire information of your entire file system. Now, if I do ls, if you go one step back, so what I wanted to check about the tech directory, only this directory only, what is the file size of that. So then we write du command. So df command, so the disk space usage in the human readable format, and du command help you show directory or file size in human readable format. So we'll write du -h and then tech. If we hit enter, so they are going to provide, okay, this directory having 16 KB of size. Similarly, if you wanted to see in the Vikas directory, they are also going to provide to the 32 KB of size they have, right? So this is the way how you can check the entire file system storage, along with if you wanted to check any specific directory storage, you can use with the help of du. So I hope this usage you got to know. Now about the system information, if you wanted to display the system information, you can use uname space -a. So if I write uname space -a, it is going to provide the system information. This is my Unix system and when it was created, what is the architecture of it, right? All the information they are going to provide. So if you wanted to display the system information, you have the command uname space dash. If you wanted to see how long my system is up and running, then you can use the command that we call uptime. If you do hit enter, here you can see my system is up and running till 7 hours 57 minutes 35 seconds, and this is 144. This is the timing for the UTC. There is total 3 user. What is the load average? Load average for 1 minute, 5 minutes and 15 minutes, it is almost 0. So you wanted to check how long your system is up and running, you can use the uptime command, right? So system uptime. If you wanted to see so logged in user, then you can use who command. So if you type who, hit enter, you can see, okay, there is a 3 users, right? They are going to show over here. So here you can see the 3 users information, they are logged in, because I have created one Vikas user, another user, and there is a root user. That's because of that we have the 3 users. So if you wanted to see so logged in user, then you are going to use the who command. Wanted to see the system uptime, you are going to use uptime command. Wanted to see the system information, you are going to use uname space -a command. So I hope this disk usage and system information command is clear. Now next command is display memory information. What is the RAM storage we have? So if you wanted to see the information about the RAM, we have the command free space -h. So it is going to provide the information about the RAM. So I have 1 GB of RAM in my Unix system. So here you can see 949 MB is the total, 153 is used, 447 is free. Apart from this buffer and cache hold is 348 MB, but total available we have 642. So if you wanted to get the information about the RAM or the memory, then we are going to use the free command. What if we don't type -h? So it is going to provide the kilobyte format, and if you type it with the -h flag, then it becomes the human readable format, right? So this is the command for free display memory usage. So I hope this system information, disk usage and memory information commands you understood completely. If it is, please let us know, and if you also have any doubt, please also let us know, and see you into the next video.